Alright guys, we are doing it big today. Well, sort of. We're doing it big and then we're taking it down a notch because, well, you read the title of this video. And if this was unrestricted YouTube, we'd be doing this with brewskis. But instead, we got some cola, but we're doing it. Let's start the show. Alright, so today is the 10 Coca-Cola shotgun. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I am hella good at shotgunning a beer. Actually, I did my first one in 10 years the other day with Nelk, and I think I did pretty damn well. But I'm curious what it's like to shotgun a can of Coke. It probably has a little bit more carbonation. It's a little bit more explosion. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna try it. You know me, I like a challenge. So, 10 cans of cola. Let's do this. These are pretty cold, but it is damn hot out here, as you can tell by my sunburn. I'm working myself up for the last like 2 days to do this. And Mel, how do you think I'm gonna do?
Well, you gotta also point out the fact that you haven't even tried, you haven't tested this out.
No, I haven't tested this out once. Mel was like, should you try this before you actually do it? I'm like, then, I mean, like, if it's a big fail and like there's a big explosion, then we don't have it on camera. Am I right, guys? That's what it's all about. So we're gonna see. All right, so I'm not an expert in cracking holes. Normally use a key. I figured a screwdriver might work better, faster, but we'll see how she goes. All right, first can. This is the 10 Coca-Cola shotgun challenge. All right, here we go. Oh, pretty good.
Point it down, right?
Yeah. Pretty good. Okay. Can one. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh. That hurts. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh. It's crazy what that feels like. It's not like a beer. Oh wow, totally different ballgame. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh. Oh. All right, that's the next one. Oh wow, hold on. Ooh. Oh, well, that didn't open. I just totally knocked off the lid there.
It's good. Jam it, jam it.
There we go.
Go!
Wow. This is just nuts. Wow. The pain is just next level. Oh. Oh. I got something in my eye. Oh. Wow. If you have a burping fetish, this video is for you. That last burp started tasting like barf.
This is can number 4.
Yeah. Oh my God. Wow. This is something else. Oh wow. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh. Wow. This is like the Diet Coke no burp challenge, like taken to another level because it gets in your body faster. And it's just, oh. All right. Sorry, that feels so good.
You gonna feed the fish?
Wow. This is painful. This is really painful.
Better grab that.
Wow. Oh, I'm in pain.
There's still some left in that can.
I'm done.
Pick it up though and drink that. You gotta finish it. You don't want people chirping at you for that one. Pick it up. Pick it up. There we go. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 left over. You tapping out? Budsy?
Ah!
I can't even imagine. What does it feel like?
Feels like death.
Is it worse than milk challenge?
Oh yeah. The carbonation is trying to push poop out of my body.
Meanwhile,
The Coke is trying to get out of my body through my mouth.
I knew you would. I knew it. Let's go.
All right. I'm done. There.
Oh! Is it better?
oh yeah, I feel way better now. Oh, as you can tell by my face and my actions. Shotgunning 10 cans of Coke is hard. Really hard. Wow. I still have so much gas in me. Well, guys, that is the 10 Coca-Cola shotgun challenge. I got close. I got close. I wonder if it'd be harder or easier with Diet Coke. I don't know. Probably maybe harder because it's more fizzy. But that being said, I do not recommend trying this at home, but if you do, make sure you put it on YouTube and tag me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful summer. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Of course, if you guys want to support the channel, grab yourself some merch. The link will be in the description below, as well as get your gains on with some Goku Gains for Fierce formulations. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Comment down below what you guys want to see. You guys stay sexy, stay hungry, and get gains, and get laid. Boom. Bye.